Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video we are just going to go out shopping. We need to go to Kmart so that I can get my daughter some winter clothes because it's getting really cold right now. We're in autumn and I believe we're just about to get into winter. Let me just check when winter starts. Not sure. Oh, we're still in autumn because winter starts in June. So yeah, from June to August we'll be in winter, but for now we're in autumn and it's getting really cold. I actually wanted to go to Kmart in the evening, but because it's getting really cold, I just thought maybe I should do this during the day. Right now it's like 4 p.m. Yeah, I've been putting this off for a really long time. I think it's been over a month. So now I really have to push myself. I have to leave this house, go shopping and get some tracksuits for her. She just needs clothes to wear in the house, and maybe she'll wear some of the clothes to daycare as well. But I did get her some clothes for daycare from Kmart as well. So I'm gonna get her some more track pants and tracksuits, track pants and sweaters, long sleeved tops. What else do we need to get her? We need to get her some pajamas as well. Yeah, and I will need to get some hangers because we don't have enough hangers in this house. And what else do we need to get? I might need to get a casserole dish. I'm gonna quickly make something to eat with you guys before we head out so that I don't waste my money on junk food. Remember, we are on a diet. I'm just gonna say we are on a diet. So I need to avoid junk food. And yeah, let me go. Let's go.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away.
I ended up going to Kohl's to get a few things that we needed, but I didn't buy bags because I forgot my bags that I normally take, the reusable ones. So I just threw everything in the boot. And that's the stuff I got from Kmart. I'm feeling very hungry right now, so I'm just gonna eat this leftover chicken. Got back home like an hour ago, and now I want to unbox this stuff that I got from Kmart. I got these pants. So I bought these. It was a mistake, but I think I'm just gonna keep them. I did that last time again when I went to Kmart. I don't know what happened, but hey, that's what happens when you go to these shops. And these pens were like $8.50. So this stuff that I bought, she's definitely gonna wear some of the stuff at home, and the other stuff she's gonna, this is too big for her. It's a size 6, but I know she's wearing size 4 and 5. So she's going to she's just gonna wear them at home and at daycare. I also got these ones as well. So those ones are the same price, $8.50. They're the same. And then these ones were $5. I think some of these things she should wear them at home. These ones were $5 as well because of the color. I don't want any paint to get on those check bottoms because it would be really hard to get the paint off. But it was really cute. I thought she could wear these at home, but I feel like this design is really nice. It actually has a jacket, so maybe she might wear these to school, but then I'm worried about the color, remember. So maybe she might wear these when we go somewhere, even like when you go to the shops or something like that. Yeah, she needs to wear these somewhere because of the design. It's really nice. I think that's cute. It's too cute. She can't wear those at home. And I also got these pants. I bought the same pants in a different color. They have glitters. Also, the price is actually $13. It's not $8.50. She's definitely going to wear to daycare, and the price was just 22. Oh, sorry, my camera is not focusing. So the price was $22 for this jacket. I also picked up some vests. Like I said, I was gonna get her some long sleeve t-shirts, and these were like, the printed ones were like $3. Oh, looks like I picked up a wrong size here. I picked up a size 3. Might have to go and return this. Maybe what I'll do is I'll return this top and exchange one of the tread bottoms. Because I didn't want to go back to Kmart. I'm just gonna do that. I'll go back and exchange them. And I also got these. All of these ones don't have a price here, but you guys are gonna see in the video because I did record when I was in store. The ones that have prints are like $3. The printed ones. Plain ones are like $2.50. So what I did is I just picked the same colors. I did the same with the white. I got 2 of each. They're just plain white. I got 2 of them to make it like $5. Yeah, I'll just throw those there. And then I got these cute pajamas. I love these. These are really nice. I love them. These ones were $14. Yeah, I paid $14 for these. I think they're really nice. And then I got these pajamas. I don't like them, but I mean, she needs to be warm, so I don't think it really matters because she's just gonna wear these things to bed. She doesn't have to look cute when she's going to bed. And I also got these as well. I don't like them. I don't like the designs because they didn't have like the designs that I liked, so I just ended up picking these because she needs them. These are pajamas as well. It's this jacket. I think it's cute. It was going for $10. Pajamas were like $18. I don't think they're that cute to go for $18. Seriously, to be honest, they're not that nice. What else did I buy? I got these pants because last time when I was at Kmart, I did get a jacket that has this print, so she's definitely going to match this with the jacket. And this is the other thing that I got for her. It's another long sleeve t-shirt, and I paid $5 for this one. And I also got her some hangers because she's gonna need these. Yeah, so that's it, you guys. I just thought I should come here and share this with you guys. So I have these makeup remover cleansing wipes. I really love them. They're really nice, like easy to remove the makeup. It comes off easily. I usually just use one wipe or two. Right now I just washed my face. I used one wipe to remove the foundation, and that was it. I also washed my face with the Neutrogena scrub, face scrub. I'll show you guys some other day. I just want to hydrate my face, so I'm trying to choose a mask depending on how I'm feeling right now. Soothing. Oh, looks like I just bought these things without even reading the labels. Look at that, multi-combination skin, signs of aging. I was not even reading these things, I just picked them up. Oh, anyway, I'm just gonna use this mask on my face right now. I have a mirror here. I'm gonna be using this mirror, so I'll be looking down so that I can see how I'm placing the mask on my face. So I need to keep it on for 15 minutes. What I'm going to do is I'll just put it on and then watch Love Island for a little bit.
Laying on my bedroom floor, staring up at the ceiling. You got me paralyzed. No, not a single medication could kill all this pain I'm feeling. I'm barely getting by. So I get a little drunk and I text you, baby, wondering if you're home, 'cause I need someone right now. And I'm a little numb from the love you gave me. I've been sleeping alone, can't get you off my mind. Just let me hold you tight until we fade away. Yeah, fade away. Oh, just let me love.
The mask on now. I'm just gonna keep it on for 15 minutes because it says I should keep it on for 15 minutes.
I'm still quite torn with my decision.
Hold you. I've been hanging by the phone, waiting for you. Hold you. I've been hanging by the phone,